The second thing is the transfer on death deeds. So I don't know that a lot of estate planners do this, and I don't want to speak for any other practices. I think we've got some really sharp estate planning attorneys out there. Very common in our office are what we call transfer on death deeds. This isn't talked about a lot, and in fact, my paralegal just the other day said, anything you do or any videos you do, can you get this news out there? This is how important this is.
Okay.
That Miss Kim, my paralegal, had specifically told me, next time you get an opportunity, can you get something out there to let people know this?
Okay.
So this is me, doing.
Yeah, we're listening.
Yes.
Okay, we're all ears.
Okay. There is this document that no one talks about.
Okay.
Everyone's talking about wills and trusts all the time.
Right.
But since we're a real estate firm, we use this other document along with our wills, and they're called transfer on death deeds.
Okay.
Your home is going to be your biggest asset, right? Most of the time, it's going to be the house is going to be what everyone really wants,
Yep.
because it's valued. You've probably paid it off by the time you pass away.
Yep.
It's a big asset. That one asset we can take care of with one document that is essentially like a beneficiary form for the banks.
Okay.
And your life insurance and stuff. So if you guys are probably familiar with life insurance and bank accounts, you can leave a beneficiary on a form on those that indicates that when you die, all they have to do is show your death certificate and their ID, and they're in the money. They've got it. That's done. We have the same equal type of document for real estate. And it's simple in the sense that it's one document that gets recorded in the property records, and it's called a transfer on death deed. And we draft those all the time for people in order to at least make sure that their house is taken care of.
Yeah.
Because that's what people are going to be fighting over. And so in that form, we basically are outlining who you want to leave that house to.
Yep.
We also have the opportunity to put alternative beneficiaries on it and then make it go away and just go with your will if all those people have died or not,
So you're telling me you can do that separate from doing an actual will?
Correct.
You can just have that form by itself.
Yes.
Is it difficult to fill out? Is there a lot of time that's involved in doing that? Or is it pretty simple?
No, it's pretty simple. It's probably one of our fastest turnaround documents done, because one of the important things is once we're hired for a transfer on death deed, we need to get it out quick.
Yeah.
Because if it's not recorded, then it's void. So we try to get those out pretty fast. But no, it's a very quick, simple process that our office does.
Yeah.
All we need to do is get the information of who you want to leave this to. We'll do the research on the previous deed, on the property description, and get it done and out there. Because sometimes we have folks who call and they're like, I really am not, I don't have the time to do the estate plan right now.
Yeah.
Or I just want to do something to protect me at the moment, right? They just want to put their toe in the water. And we still do TODDs, our transfer on death deeds for wills.
Okay.
But sometimes we'll just do that and be like, well, let's at this point then, if you just want to get something done to make sure your house is okay and you're just worried.
Yeah.
Because people are coming in the woodwork saying that they're going to, sell your house or fight with your kids over it. We just need to get something.
Yeah.
Especially during the drama like that and they know that's going on. We'll just do that.
Gotcha.
And at the very least, your house is taken care of. And that takes precedence over an estate plan.
Yeah.
If you had it. So that goes first. And that's going to give you peace, because then at least I have something taking care of that big asset, the house.
Right. Yeah.